Introducing Vending Concepts EL10-10 Max Capacity IntelliVator vending machine, a game changer in the vending industry. This state-of-the-art vending machine is not only packed with cutting-edge technology like its elevator system and 10-inch touchscreen, but is designed to offer an unparalleled experience for both operators and customers. What sets the EL10-10 apart? For starters, it uses a revolutionary elevator system that only requires one motor to power its elevator. Unlike the BevMax, which relies on multiple motors, and a robotic picker cup, which historically has been unreliable. This can cause operators to lose business because of downtime. The EL10-10 uses a counterbalance weight system that creates consistent operation. Using the EL10-10, you will capture more revenue with less downtime from malfunctions. This means fewer maintenance headaches, lower costs, and greater reliability. But there's more. While the BevMax is limited to only vending beverages up to 45 selections, the Vending Concepts EL10-10 allows up to 60 drink selections, or vend whatever you want. From drinks to snacks, food, specialty items, fragile glass bottles, meal replacement drinks, energy drinks, even alcoholic beverages, the possibilities are endless with this advanced system. Sell what you want! Designed with flexibility in mind, the EL10-10 is ADA compliant, making it perfect for locations like hospitals, government buildings, and any area requiring accessible machines. The modular design allows you to easily adjust shelves to accommodate items of different sizes, ensuring that whatever you need to vend fits perfectly. The EL10-10 features a 10-inch touchscreen, giving operators the ability to upload videos and sell advertising for an additional revenue stream. Also, partner with HR departments for this resource to post employee announcements and holidays. With its simple-to-use software, you can track sales and inventory. Never worry about payment compatibility. The EL10-10 integrates seamlessly with different payment platforms like GrabPay, Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayWave, and many more. And with LED lighting, this machine offers a sleek and modern look that's sure to attract attention. Experience next-level durability with the EL10-10's double-layered, electrically heated glass door, designed to eliminate fogging and condensation, ensuring crystal-clear visibility of your products. The body itself is explosion-resistant and smash-resistant, capable of withstanding up to 1 ton of external force. Built to last. Whether you're vending cold drinks, snacks, or food, the EL10-10 has you covered with its unique adjustable temperature system. This machine can accommodate both refrigerated and non-refrigerated items. And for those unconventional items, the EL10-10 can easily be upgraded to a conveyor system, offering even more flexibility to vend odd-sized products. Plus, with the guaranteed vend system, your customers can rest assured their money is safe until their product is dispensed. The drop chute remains locked at all times, so all your products remain secure. The light on the front of the dispense door will blink once the selected item is ready to take. The Vending Concepts EL10-10C Max Capacity Vending Machine is the ultimate solution for any location, combining advanced technology, unmatched flexibility, and exceptional durability. Don't settle for less, choose the machine that competes and beats the BevMax in every way. The future of vending is here. The Vending Concepts EL10-10 is ready to elevate your business. To learn more about the EL10-10 and how it can revolutionize your vending needs, visit us online at vendingconcepts.com or call 817-586-1354.